Alright, G, again, I really haven't been talking to you guys because I don't know why. But as you can see, I'm ready to work. We're at work right now. Just taking out water from when it rained. So we dug up some holes and it rained and it got filled with water. Now I'm out here taking out water. As you can see, there's these metal plates. We gotta move them out because I really can't get the water. So I'm gonna try to get the tractor so we can move them and I can get this water out. We got them taking out that water.
Cuando pasó la fila.
¿Sí? Me vino el agua. ¿Qué va? ¿Dónde va el güey? ¿No van a comer? Alright, G-Gang. So it's raining. It's currently raining right now. And the boss man sent us to go get break. To go eat, basically. So we're just gonna wait on this rain and see if it goes away. But I don't know, I mean, from the looks of it, it's probably not. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat already. Some pork ribs, some rice, vegetables, Coke. It's raining outside right now. Go ahead and start eating. You can stop it now? Oh no, you can't. Good one, good one. Good one, good one. You dropped another one. Hell yeah. They're all coming out. Making money. Wait, aren't you supposed to be working, buddy?
It is working.
This is working? Gotta make your money somehow, huh?
What the fuck?
Oh, shit, my bad. I'm fucking it up, huh? Told you it works. I guess hold it.
You make it go slower.
Yeah. I guess it's not working that good, I guess. Good, good, good. That's a good one right there. Look. What'd I tell you? How much you got?
Ya vamos a la verga, ya conseguí mi dinero para atrás.
Mira. It's good. No, saca para mí también. Hay que sacar para el día, ¿no? Good, good, mira. Solitos se están cayendo. Soy un pinche bueno para este juego.
Vamos a la verga.
Vamos al job site. Vamos al job site. Ni modo, raza, no nos quieren dejar entrar.
¿Pues qué?
Pues ni modo. Para la casa, ¿no?
I don't know what to do.
We'll record your
See if
message.
it's going through there?
This fool. And we just got done eating lunch, guys. We're trying to get back into the gate inside. Oh, ya se van. Right.
Yeah.
I pull up next to George.
Pull up behind them or what?
Next one.
Why are you gonna pull up right
A ver
here?
qué nos dicen ahorita. Nos vamos a bajar a ver qué nos dice Georgie.
I'm pull up right here, ya que no.
Well, ni modo. We're going back home already. It's just gonna keep on raining and raining and raining. It ain't gonna stop. So finally, I'm gonna get home. He's gonna give me a chance.
Fucking head at nigga.
It's in the back. It's right there by the este. But yeah, I'm gonna get back home and I'm gonna go ahead and start editing these videos, cause the one from yesterday I'm gonna start editing cause I didn't finish that one. And I got a little bit drunk. And then start editing this one too. Cause this one's gotta be up for tomorrow. Yeah, we're on our way back home. Alright guys, I just got home. I don't know if you can hear it. Not that guy, this is my dog. What the hell is she doing? It's still raining. That's what I want y'all to hear. It's still raining. But yeah guys, I just got out. I'm already home. And I'm gonna go ahead and do the chores. And I'm gonna go ahead and edit the last night's video right now, so I can have it uploaded already, because it's supposed to be uploaded. Try to upload like at 11 Central Time every day, because that's my lunchtime, so that's the only time I'll have the chance to upload. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and edit, work on my video right now, upload that, take care of that first, then go ahead and take care of the chores after, because my video comes first. But yeah, that's it for right now, and let's see if later throughout the day it gets interesting. G gang, so obviously I'm not at the house no more. I had to run some errands, had to go get some, well, I think I'm getting eggs, because they're on a good deal. What are they? Talk to me, you gotta talk to me. They're like 88 cents a dozen. A dozen? Huh? But yeah, we come to Kroger. We're gonna go ahead and pick up some stuff. And then where else are we going? No, we're going to HEB because I need orange juice. Oh, really? Oh. And we're going to McDonald's to go pick up something just to munch on. I'm hungry. And well, yeah, that's about it. What time is it right now? 3. It's 3. I don't like coming to the store. Because someone else wants to get more than what we just came for. It's right here. We're at Walmart, guys. Alright, guys. I need to be real quiet right now because someone's not in a good mood. Why are you looking at me like you're gonna eat me? Anyways, got McDonald's. And we're just gonna sit down and watch a movie. We got the spicy chicken sandwich. What else we get? We got chicken nuggets. We got the 40-piece chicken nuggets. We got large french fries. We got this. But yeah, guys, why don't you go ahead and eat, lay down, chill out, watch movies, and do nothing. Let me turn this out real quick. RG gang, I don't record much anymore. Just got home, laid down. Got home from the store, laid down. That's it. Was on my phone, watching movies. That's about it. But yeah, right now we're about to just eat dinner and call it a night. I'm gonna go ahead and start editing this one. I'm gonna go ahead and get it ready for tomorrow. Man, this is kind of tough, I ain't gonna lie. But hey, try to challenge myself, and hopefully this time I'm on my shit. But yeah, guys, this is it for this video. Hope you guys can enjoy. Like, comment, subscribe if you're new to join the gang. And until next time.